Welcome to Easy Cooking with JUAN, and on today's recipe we're going to have my easy and delicious chicken and dumplings. And if you ever had my chicken and dumplings, you better slap yourself and make sure your hands are super duper clean. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need 3 18-ounce cans of chicken and dumplings. You will need 1 10-ounce can of cream of chicken and another 10-ounce can of cream of chicken. You will need 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. I already shredded up my 2 chicken breasts into pieces, Lipton onion soup mix, chicken stock, and my already made Mary B's dumplings. And when I get everything ready, I'll be right back. And now, I'm about to show you how to put your ingredients in your chicken and dumplings. I already have my chicken and dumplings in a can in here and my cream of chicken in here already. So now I'm about to put my seasonings in here. Your Lipton onion soup mix packet, just like that. A little bit of chicken stock, just a little bit. That's enough right there. Tablespoon of onion powder. You put your 1 tablespoon of garlic powder in here. Your 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Your 1 teaspoon of thyme. Just a teaspoon or lesser. 1 teaspoon of bay leaf or lesser, depending on how you like the flavor, and 1 teaspoon of parsley. And also, not last, but your chicken breast. Put all that up in there. Now we're going to stir it just like this. Just stir your stuff in just like that. Looks good, don't it, y'all? Looks so good. Stir in all your seasonings, your chicken, all that. Gonna be some good old chicken and dumplings. But you know it's fall time. And it's time for some good old chicken and dumplings to warm your soul, warm your spirit, warm your body. Yes. So I'm gonna let this cook for about 15 minutes. And then I'll be back to show you the finished product of my easy and delicious chicken and dumplings. Now, I cooked my chicken and dumplings for a total of 35 minutes, and into 10 minutes into the chicken and dumpling cooking process, I put my dumplings inside and I let them cook the rest of the way for 20 minutes. So I made it like 35 minutes. And this is the final product of my easy and delicious chicken and dumplings. It looks good, it smells good, and I know it's gonna taste good. And if you want more Easy Cooking with JUAN, all you gotta do is like, share, and subscribe, and tell the whole world what I'm doing in this kitchen each and every day.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine.